Hello everyone, my name is 11 Guo. I'm working in Oric factory. It's my pleasure to introduce Oric factory and Oric products today. Oric factory is located in Lishui District, China. Factory covers an area of 8 acres and has a planned area of more than 20,000 square meters. It will be expanded by 30,000 square meters in the future. Oric becomes one of the largest inkjet printers production and R&D base in China. Property rights are fully owned by Shidao Group. Now I will introduce Oric advantage number 1. Oric factory has a strong design team that can quickly develop a new product. With good idea, the factory can help customers realize it in the shortest time. Number 2, Oric factory has a complete equipment rack production workshop, a spraying workshop, a machine workshop, and an assembly workshop. It's one of the few factories in China that has completely independent production capacity. Number 3, Oric production capacity can reach 350 units per month. The limited production capacity can reach 600 units per month during rush time. Spacious workshop and perfect management allow Oric to increase production capacity quickly and ensure product quality. Number 4, Oric has a very complete production line. First, let's talk about LED UV. Oric has different options on UV machine. You can get roll-to-roll machines, roll-to-roll with a small build system, hybrid model, and flatbed. Roll-to-roll model, we have 1.6 meters with Epson I3200 U1 heads. 1.8 meters, we have OR 5800, OR 6800, and OR 8800 meter models, which is using Ricoh Gen 5 and Ricoh Gen 6. Those models can achieve multi-layer printing, such as one head can do CMYK only. If customers is in the entry level, they can choose 2 pieces heads to printing CMYK plus white color. Even sometimes they can choose CMYK with white color and varnish. The most popular model we recommended is OR 6800. The configuration we recommended is with 5 pieces Ricoh Gen 5 or Ricoh Gen 6. Customer can do 3-layer printings, colors, white colors. The speed can reach around 15 square meters per hour. For OR 8800, we have the printing size is 2 meters. It's not only 1.8 meters. It's printing size 2 meters. We're using this model for soft film printing. Also can support 3-layer printing, color, white colors. As 2 hybrid models, OR 5000H can help customers do roll-to-roll printings as well as formal border flatbed job printings. Table size is 1.6 meters by 3.2 meters. The head configuration is max number is 6 pieces, so we can have 4 print heads, 5 pieces heads, and 6 pieces options. Mini flatbed machines are always on high demand. During this year, PET film is a hot promotion. Oric follow trend. Now we are using Ricoh Gen 5 I heads to do printing on the film. PET film printing step. First, make logo design. Then we using 60 and 90 model to do printing on the PET film. This PET film has a glue on the top. After printing, we were using a transfer film to stick on the first film. Then we cut into small pieces of logos. We can stick on the cups, metal, glass, some small materials. After this step, we can peel off the second film. Then the logo can stick on the top. Okay, after LED UV machine, we can talk about dye sublimation printers. Oric has many options on the dye sublimation printers from 1.6 meters to 3.2 meters. In order to support jumper roll paper printings like 1,000 meters or 10,000 meters printing, we have the big body machines like 8 pieces head models and 15 pieces head models. Now let's talk about the entry level machine first. The entry level model is 1.6 meters or 1.8 meters with 2 pieces I3200A1 or 3 pieces, 4 pieces as options. This entry level is for the customer whose printing papers is around 100 meters or 200 meters. Because they are using the standard take-up system and the fitting system, so cannot loading the heavy materials or the jumper rolls. So we call it entry level. If the customer have some options like 200 meters or 300 meters jumper rolls, we have another options. We call it air shaft system. So the taking up system and the fitting system is different from the standard one. It can loading the heavy materials. So we have the middle level, we call it 1.8 with 4 pieces head or 6 pieces head. So after the entry levels, we will come to the high-speed models, 8 pieces, 15 pieces. For example, 8 pieces head models, the printing speed can up to 108 meters per hour. The jumper roll can support around 1,000 meters. Now, during 2020, we have the new models with 15 pieces I3200A1 heads. The printing speed can up to 265 meters per hour. The jumper roll can be 15,000 meters, and the papers can be less than 30 grams. And for some special areas, we also have 2.2 options, 2.6 meters options, and for 3.2, we also have the high-speed model with 8 pieces heads. Everyone's Oric delivery out around 100 units at least. So we are waiting for more orders during the show or after the show. This is our 2.2 meters 15 heads models and also have 2.6 meters. The speed for 2.2 is around 560 square meters per hour. So it's around 260 meters per hour. And after dye sublimation, we also have the traditional advertising machines like Expo and solvent model. Solvent model, we have the machine with Konica 512i print heads. For X-solvent, we have different options like 1.6 meters, 1.8 meters, and 3.2. We are using heads is Epson print heads, such as DX5 generation and Epson i3200 E1. The print height numbers from 2 pieces to 4 pieces we both have. And we also trying to using 8 pieces for the high speed one, but this one depends on the customer's request. And latex is the environmental project from the market, and Oric also have this one, 1.8 meters printing size. We call it latex 5800H. This model have a belt system in the middle, so it can print in some materials like laser, mesh, vinyl. This machine we have a good selling in Europe market and American market. And the print head is also Epson i3200 A1. 2 pieces we can print in CMYK with OP, or we have 3 pieces options. The printing colors will be more CMYK plus LCOAM or LLK with OP. If printing with 2 pieces head, the speed can up to 20 square meters per hour. So after latex, we will talk about the DTF machine, which one is very hot selling during past year. And this machine is a new product from 2020. We were selling 2 pieces models before, but during this show we have the new model with 4 pieces Epson heads. For DTF machine, some customers still feel it's new or it's not very familiar. So here I will introduce this model to customers. This machine is designed for T-shirt logo or some other like bags or clothes logos. First, you need to printing on the films, but this one have a difference from the normal advertising machines. It needs white color, but it's not same as UV white color. It's printing CMYK first, then white color covers it. The white inks used to stick with the punctures. So this machine have 2 parts. The first part is printing. Second part is coating the punctures. And after coating the punctures, and we go inside the heaters, so the puncture will stick on the film. Then we can transfer the logos onto the T-shirt or onto the bags. We have 2 options on these machines. 2 pieces and 4 pieces. If 2 pieces, the speed around 10 square meters 1 hour. If 4 pieces, the speed can up to 20 square meters per hour. For the shaking machines, we have 2 options. One option is the standard models system is printing and then shaking. After shaking, need to take up the films. Another option is the belt system, so you can cut the logos directly. Do not need to wait for the take up steps. Okay, now let's back to Oric advantage again. Number 5, Oric factory. Oric brand is positioned as a middle to high-end market for global advertising and textile printing, manufacturing high-quality products, and building a world-renowned brand. Factory also have OEM manufacturing service for world-renowned brands, strong R&D, wide space, design and production capabilities, which we already work for some of them. So now we have a view of Oric factory. This is our Oric factory production room. Because we have a very big space, so we have many machines in stock. If a customer sends the order, we can deliver the machines very quickly. Here is a packing area. So for the entry-level machine, 1.8 meters, one container can be 60 sets. If a big container can be 12 to 18 sets machines. This is the LED UV machine OR 5800. So we can have one head options. Maximum can be 4 pieces heads. This is OR 6800. The maximum head numbers is 6 pieces. Is using RedCarpet Gen 5 or using RedCarpet Gen 6. This is 3-layer printing, CMYK, white CMYK. So we have many heads configurations. It depends on the end user's application. This is 1.6 meters LED UV, but it's using Epson print heads. We can have many applications such as cafe, bar, clothing shop, and Windows film. This is 3.2 row-to-row printers. So the heads maximum is 6 pieces and also can achieve 8 pieces. One head, one color. So we can have 2 rows CMYK, total 8 pieces. So 4 colors speeding, the speed is very fast. Hybrid machine. 5000 model, the maximum height is 9 pieces head, 6 or 9 pieces head. This is our new hybrid machines. The printing size 1.8 meters, 2.5 and 3.2. It's using RedCarpet Gen 5 print head and RedCarpet Gen 6. And during the show, we also have the new model using Epson print head. The table size is a little shorter than 5000 H. The printing size, the table printing size is around 1.9 meters. But this model is mostly used for the row-to-row, not for the flat bed. It's Oric flatbed machines, 2.5 by 1.3 meters. 2 by 3 meters or 3.2 by 2 meters, 3.2 by 1.6 meters. So we have many options on the UV machines. So for more models, you can get the reference from our website also. This is the environmental latex machine application. High quality latex ink is more environmentally friendly as higher quality. This is Oric dye sublimation printers coming. This is some special DIY application for office. Here is entry-level sublimation series, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces model. Air-shaped roll systems. This is air-shaped model, fitting backside and take up in the front of the machine. This machine we have a good selling in Turkey market. High-speed model with 6 pieces head, 8 pieces head, and 15 pieces head. Jumbo roll maximum 1,000 meters. For Oric machine, we have some customer will prefer to choose white colors, and also we can do black colors for customer to choose. This is a 10,000 system. You can check the take-up medium. It's very, very sharp. Entry-level advertising machines, 1.8 meters, 1.6 meters with excellent print heads, I3200 E1. .8 meters with 4 pieces, excellent models. This model 1.8 with 8 pieces head is for some factory who has huge printing jobs because the speed is very fast. So we have one word, one machine. It means one factory. This is the DTF models, CMYK with white color. You can see the white color is on the top of the CMYK. Here is the printing steps. After printing, he will go inside to have the pendant coating. Here's a pendant. This pendant we have to after pendant coating, the material will go inside the heater. This model is the standard models. It's not using the build system, so you can see the medium needs to take up first. After printing, coating, take up, then you can cut the logos one pieces by one pieces. And then you can use the heat transfer machine, transfer onto the t-shirt, peel off the film, then the logo is finished. This is the latex build system. Laser printing. No cracking, stretch rigid. High-speed multi-layer printing. This is using Epson i3200 U1. It's 2 millimeters texture vector.